Now here we want to find out the IP address range. Mean what is the minimum address we can give, what are the maximum address IP address that can be given to the systems. So for that we are just going to open our notepad. We just want to find the IP address range. As we know, we have got 32-bit addresses. Now how we can write? If we are going to write in binary format, it could be in this format. That means we have to write in this way, 32-bit. Now studying the IP address for in this way, it is very difficult. So what we do, we divide this 32-bit into 4 equal part, and all these part are called octlet. That means we are going to divide this 32-bit into 4 parts, and each part will be having how many bits? 8 bits. Now these 8 bits are called octets, and we can sometimes called octlet also. Now we are not going to study all these 4 octlets. First we are going to study the first octlet. Whatever is the property of your one octlet, same properties are going to be the of all the other octlets. Let me give one example. Suppose you want to purchase 4 marker pen of the same variety. So first, instead of purchasing the 4 marker pens, we are just going to purchase 1 marker pen. Whatever is the property of that marker pen, same are going to be the properties of the 3 other marker pens. So what we are going to do now, this first octlet, what it will be having? It will be having 8 bits. So we are going to write in this way, 8 bits. Now what can be the minimum value? It is all zeros. And what will be the maximum value? Maximum, it is going to be all ones. That means if we are going to study the binary system and we have got 8 bits available, so what will be the minimum value? 0 0 0. And what will be the maximum value? 1 1. So let me take you to this diagram. That means what we have done, we have divided this 32-bit into 4 octlet, and what is the positional value? We know that if we are going to study this octlet, this is having positional value 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 28, 128. And now what are the minimum value? 0, 0, 0. And what is the maximum value? 1, 1, 1, 1. We have already discussed. If we are going to convert it into this, what will happen? What we will get? 0. And what will, if we are going to convert 8's binary 1 bits into decimal, then it will be 255. That means your first octlet can have the minimum value 0, maximum 255. Now same properties other octlets will be having 0 to 255, 0 to 255, 0 to 255. What is the meaning of this? That means your IP address cannot be less than 0.0.0.0, and they cannot be more than 255, 255, 255, 255. So what is the range? This is the range 0.0.0.0 to 255, 255, 255, 255. That means 32-bit address is divided into 4 octlet of 8 bits each. In each octlet, the minimum in binary format is all 0 and maximum is all 1. In decimal, minimum is 0 and maximum is 255. That is 4 octlet can have minimum 0.0.0.0 and maximum all the 255. We cannot assign any value less than 0, 0, 0 and any value more than 4 to 55. Now in next video we will be going to see, we are going to show you certain IP addresses, and we have to determine whether they are comes within range or not.